Love, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making this delicious looking bitterleaf soup. Guess what, with this yam I'm feeling, yes, I'll be using this yam as my soup thickener. Yes, my bitterleaf soup thickener, Ofe Onugbu. So if you've not tried this, take a chill pill, come over, let's dissect and see how it all went through. Let me tell you, this recipe is the best. I'll have to wash and then introduce this into the pot I'll be using to make the soup. This is actually the beef I'll be using. I added salt and a cube of seasoning, though I didn't get to capture the fact. So this is the vegetable we're using. This is uziza leaf. Yeah, so I'll have to remove it from the steam. This leaf is very nutritious and healthy, and it gives bitterleaf soup very nice taste and aroma. And apart from this uziza leaf, there's also uziza seed, but I'm not using it in this soup for today. So I'll be using it together with the bitter leaf, though I didn't show the process I used in this video, but in my next video I'm going to show you the easiest way you can process your bitter leaf. So I'll have to return back to the beef and yam, take off the yam, introduce it into the pot, and allow the beef to continue cooking while I attend to the dry fish I'll be using for the soup. So this is the dry fish. I'll have to wash thoroughly. I'll wash until I see there's no more dirt in it. So at this point I'm done, so I'll have to introduce it into the boiling meat. So I added water to the meat because the water won't be enough for my soup. So I will cover, allow it to cook, return back to the yam and pound. So this is Ghana black pepper, crayfish, and opehe. I added just now, so, and also freshly made palm oil. Then I'll have to start introducing the yam, the one I pounded, you get. So when I'm making this soup, I love the soup looking like this. I want it watery because this is yam. As it's getting cooler, it will be becoming thicker, so that's why I make it very watery. So I've introduced the uziza leaf, and now come my bitter leaf. In my next video I will teach you the easiest way to process bitter leaf. So I've introduced it, and then salt and a seasoning cube will follow suit. That's the another point. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, both new, old, and intended subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. So at this point, I'll have to add my stockfish. Yeah, actually, the stockfish is very soft. That's why I had to add it last. I will add my dear iris great. Allow it to boil for just 2 minutes and it will be good to go. So if you are still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel, please do well and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Love you. See, the soup is for all my subscribers, both new, old, and intended subscribers. So if you are still contemplating, please do subscribe. Mwah.